Hey everyone, today we're going to paint this door. It was my garage door. I am not going to remove the hinges because it's like too hard. I really don't know how to put them back on. So this is just old and ugly, and I'm going to try to paint it white. My wife wants white. I think we're going to use simply white. So I have a kind of a old sander. It's like the Ryobi. I'm not sure what's the brand, but you get whatever. And I'm using a 90 grit. I think it's an 80 grit. No, actually it's a 100 grit. I'm just using whatever I have around the house. I have 120 grit too. So we just sand it down and let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna clean it down with a tack cloth. And we're gonna do that on both sides. Just take all the remaining sawdust off. And got a gallon of Simply White in satin. This one's from Valspar Signature. We'll be using that around the house. Give it that first coat. Hopefully we don't need a second one. So this is how it looks. We ended up giving it 2 coats. At an angle kind of looks like it needs a little more, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. I really need to put this door back. Instead of, taking them off, I'll just cover them up and spray paint them, and it came out alright. I just wrapped it with some tape and some plastic and passes. Spray painted the door handles, the door knobs, so everything could match. And also the bottom of the door, the weather strip, whatever it is. So this is how it came out. I think it looks pretty good. So what I did, I got a couple of stakes and put a shim under it, like you could go, hit it with a hammer, go up higher or lower if you need to. This one's kind of lined up perfectly for me, so it makes it way easier. Well, this is how it looks now. I still do need a little touches because of when I was putting it on, I did scuff a little places, kind of got it dirty. These spring-loaded hinges were really hard to put back on. You need the little Allen wrench and you gotta get it in here, and then it has a little pin in there that you just take out, and you put it back. That was the hardest part for me, but I still need to give it touch-ups right here. But overall, we're happy. It looks way better than it did.